In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to combine accessories in Roblox Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, if you use the Roblox application, you will be able to customize your avatar. So you will be able to change various things about your avatar. As you can see, you can go over to the Customize tab, and in here you have plenty of categories to choose from. Of course, you can change the accessories at will. However, one thing that is going to become obvious is that when you try to equip multiple accessories of the same category, for example, face accessories or shield accessories, whenever you choose another one, the old one that you have will be unequipped. So, for example, let's say I want to have the bird on my shoulder while also having the spider cola. If I tap the spider cola while I have the bird is going to be unequipped, and then the cola will be equipped instead. So there is a trick or a little workaround that you can do to bypass this limitation. So in order to equip multiple accessories on any category on your Roblox avatar, instead of doing this process through the latest version of their mobile app, you have to go over to the Roblox website. So go to roblox.com and in here sign into your account through a web browser. Once you sign into your account on a web browser, you will be able to browse through all of the menus here and you will be able to go over to avatar. Now, the thing that is going to become obvious is that you will not be able to change your avatar. To bypass this, tap the three dots on your web browser and then choose the option to enter your desktop site or view in desktop. This is going to differ for every single web browser. Maybe you are using Safari, maybe you are using Chrome, but for me, I'm using Firefox and the option is here. Once you switch to the desktop site, you will be able to browse through various categories. So all that you have to do now is go over to a specific category where you would like to equip multiple accessories, and for example, let's say I want to have the spider cola and the bird. Tap on the accessory that is not currently equipped and copy the link. So tap and hold and then copy link. Now tap on advanced. As you can see here, you will only find the advanced tab if you switch the categories at the top, and inside of advanced, all that you have to do is paste the link that you copied. Go ahead and save again, and you will be able to see that now I have both accessories equipped. Keep in mind that at this point, you cannot equip or unequip any accessory, because if you do, they will go away. Every time that you want to equip multiple accessories, you have to copy the link, go over here in advanced, paste the asset ID, save, and you will be able to see multiple accessories equipped all at once. As you can see, I have 3 shoulder accessories and all of them appear on my character. So if you reload the Roblox application, you will be able to see them like this. I hope I was able to help you on how to combine accessories in Roblox Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.